Hey, welcome to Jeep Solo. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video or anything, so I thought I'd give you an update on the ZJ. So, well, I guess first I'm in Hamul, so we were able to buy a 6-acre place out in the rural area, so it's kind of fun. So I actually can drive the Jeep all over the property, which is pretty cool. You can see I got the long arm suspension on here. It's currently has 37-inch wheels. They're 37/15s, and you can see I put the 4-inch lift springs, and then I've got the 3-inch spacers, so it's got a 7-inch lift. I put spacers on the shocks. They're 3-inch spacers to make up. I put a drop pitman arm on, and I guess also the winch setup here. I had posted a idea that I thought I was going to be able to get a stealth winch set up in here, but that's not the case. It is mounted into the grill, but it's very unstealth. But the cool thing was this plate fits perfectly it aligns with both sides. And so what I did is I just cut a slot all the way back and then welded it in. So it actually is making the body stronger. You can see it's been on for a while. Everything's faded here. It's been getting a lot of use. And over here you can see it basically lines up perfectly. My welds are a little crazy, but it holds up. And then I cut the grill to match, and I pulled the top of the winch off, and that actually is mounted in here. So you've got your battery switch here, and then the brains and the wireless are here, and then I mounted my wireless switch right here, and then the remote plug is here. And the reason I put them under here was kind of a safety thing. I wanted to have to put the hood up when using the winch. So you've got to open the hood just to get to this switch here and to throw the battery switch, and then it kind of forces you to at least have it open. I guess you can close it, but anyways, so that's the winch setup. I also added a tow bracket, but now that it's so high off the ground, it's really hard to get in this thing. That tow bracket will come down at like a 45-degree angle now, and so if you had to hit the brakes, it would just pop up and probably slam into the back of the truck. So let's see, I've pulled out the sway bar in the front. I don't remember if there's still a sway bar in the back. I don't think there is. So it has no sway bar. It is a little rocks back and forth on the road. One thing I haven't done yet is re-gear the diffs, so it's still on the stock, was it like 373? And my plan is to put 488s, but so I've acquired a JK front axle and just a standard Rubicon. So a JK Rubicon front axle and a Rubicon rear axle. But, to get it re-geared and get things dialed in, possibly with chromoly axles, it's going to cost a few bucks. So I'm thinking of going with the Dana 60s. If I use Dana 60s, then I can put them on other things when this thing isn't running anymore. I mean, I plan to drive this into the ground, so it might be a better investment to invest in Dana 60s, and then at least if I end up with a different rig down the road, I can throw them on that. So that's the update for now. Have a good one. Oh, please like and subscribe. Thanks.